Hey there! Wondering what are the best hashtags you should be using in your real estate business in order to grow your account and actually be found? Watch this video and I will share with you. For more tips on how to better your real estate business through the power of technology, please hit that subscribe button below and hit the bell to be notified of when I post a new video every single Wednesday. I myself have grown my Instagram account to now over 3,600 followers, and I can attribute most of that to the different hashtags I use and the hashtag research so that I can actually be found. So watch this video and I'll show you how you can do the same. So what the heck are hashtags and how do they work? Why are hashtags even important? I hear about them all the time. Do I even really need to use them? I would advise you certainly do use them. So if you ever went on Instagram, clicked on the little search button down there and type something, and all of a sudden you see some posts that are maybe related to that, that's where hashtags come in. So a lot of things can be found through hashtags. I go to search, and right now if I wanted to search, find other realtors, I might go search the hashtag realtors of Instagram. And when I go to that search, it's gonna show me a bunch of different posts, likely real estate, realtor related, and there I can maybe find some people I wanna connect with, I wanna have conversations with, and maybe some new accounts that I can discover. So this is why it's very important. If you make a post and you put 0 hashtags, there's almost no chance, it's a very tough chance of being found. Anybody who follows you, maybe one of their followers might see it, or maybe somebody shares one of your posts, then yes, you can be found. But for somebody trying to discover a new account, there's no searchability there. It's really tough unless they're actually searching for your page specifically. So that is why I recommend definitely you do hashtags. There is theories everywhere out there about how many hashtags you should actually be using, and it seems like it changes all the time. We've tested this, sometimes we use less, sometimes we use more. I haven't seen a huge amount of difference, so I like to use all 30 hashtags because Instagram will allow you to put 30 hashtags in there. It's a better chance to get found. So if somebody's searching one of those hashtags out of the 30 and I'm found, why not? Why wouldn't I have that hashtag in there? Because if I only had 5 in there and I didn't have that one in there, they would have never found me. If you click on a certain hashtag, it brings up those related posts that use the same hashtag, and it just works as one big spider web that connects everything together. So in my opinion, that is definitely why you need to be putting hashtags. You need to make sure they are super relevant though, because if you try to do too much and try to make them too broad, if that makes any sense, you're not going to get very good results. Instagram is not going to reward you. Or if you try to trick the algorithm and put in a popular hashtag that isn't related to your post either, Instagram ain't going to like you for that either, and they may dock you. So if you're making a post about real estate, try to have hashtags that are actually relevant to real estate. Maybe it's the name of your city, it's your name, it's just all about that post versus you putting in a hashtag of Justin Timberlake, which has nothing to do with your post, but you're trying to do it so you're hoping more people will find you. The people that do find you will probably be angry at you as well because they were searching for that hashtag specifically on Justin Timberlake, and they see you and you're a realtor and you have nothing to do with them. Also doesn't work for you. So make sure you're doing those super relevant hashtags. Now, how do we find these hashtags? Let me show you. Are there any questions you have about hashtags? If so, comment below and let me know. All right, so now you're wondering, how the heck do I find these hashtags? 30 hashtags, how can I come up with 30 hashtags? That's impossible. It's not. If you do a bit of research, you can reuse some of these hashtags. So what I like to do is I open my notes app in my phone and I will make 3 different lists, all with 30 different hashtags. Some of them might be the same, so there might be one that overlaps into the others, but they're not identical. So sometimes Instagram will know if you're using the same ones over and over and over again, and it can get a little stale. So you want to try to mix them up a bit. So you've got different posts with different hashtags. You try to reach different audiences. So yeah, now I know, now I can hear you. You're saying, holy crap, 90 hashtags. How the heck am I supposed to do that? So first thing, open your web browser, whether it be on your phone or your computer. Go to this website here I found has been very handy, metahashtags.com. Right off the start, it says here, enter
your hashtag that you want to use. Now, you can pay money for this and get some more in-depth analytics where it kind of shows you some cool stats about how many times the hashtag's been used, how many averages likes per post these hashtags get. It's kind of neat. And then it'll show you more hashtags as well. But if you're just wanting to do this for free, you can do so. So for example, let me just type in real estate. Go search. And there you go. It has real estate obviously as one of them because that's what I searched. And then it gives me a bunch of different other ones that are related to real estate. So we have realtor, real estate agent, home, real estate investing. Now, you may be like, that one doesn't work for my post, so don't use it. Property, real estate life, investment, real estate investor, for sale, real estate broker, interior design may not apply again, but depending what your post is, real estate photography, house hunting, you get the idea. As I'm going through this, there's so many options. Now, the other cool thing about this site that I really enjoy, let's just select real estate. Let's select realtor, real estate agent, home. Okay, real estate investing doesn't work for us. Let's do property. Let's do real estate life. And let's do for sale. There, so we've got 7 selected. Let's say I went through that and I got 20. I can go copy and it's copied. So now if I go to my, I can just click back to get back out of that. But now if I go to my notes app and hit paste, those 7 just paste right there. So let's do that for example. Let's go to, here's some of my hashtags I've been using. But let's just go here, let's go paste. Boom, there's the 7 that I copied. It is that easy. I don't know how long that took me, not very long. But then from there, you can explore others. So instead of real estate, maybe you type in the name of your city. Maybe you type in what type of house you have. Maybe you're advertising a certain property, a bi-level bungalow, and you type in that hashtag. Or maybe it's a certain popular spot in your city. You could search that and it'll show you other ones. The sky's the limit. You get the point. You can search for anything on meta hashtags. It's going to show you a bunch of related other hashtags. You can quickly copy them, paste them into your notes, and now you have it going forward. So what I do, see my hashtags in my notes? All I do is go here, I go to the select, I take my cursor up to here, which is my 30, go copy, I open Instagram, I paste it in the post, and done. So no longer, what used to happen is I would make a post on Instagram and I'd have to be thinking of them as I'm there on my post, typing hashtag, writing one, thinking of another one, writing it. This takes no time at all. I just copy it, paste it. I have a few different ones in here and that's all I have to do. So I hope this really helps. I really encourage everyone to do it because this is gonna help you to grow your account. Good luck.
Okay, so there you go. Now you know you need to use hashtags. You know how to find the hashtags, but you're wondering, now I need the content to actually put on there to use for hashtags. I got you covered. You're gonna wanna click on the link in my description below. In there, I have my free guide of a bunch of different video ideas that have 10 times my social media leads. Hold up, don't go away yet. When you're done here, don't forget to watch my prior videos I've done on Instagram. And please, if this was beneficial, please, please, please subscribe, give me a like, and share it with your fellow realtor friends.